This tutorial is to show you how to install a window extension panel for door heights between 2.21 to 2.3 meters and 2.31 to 2.4 meters. You will need to relocate this original top adjustable panel and connect it to the new legs provided with your window extension. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. The first thing to do is to undo and remove these two black knobs. Then slide the top adjustable panel out of the channel completely. Remove both of these screws from the top adjustable panel so you can remove the panel from the original legs and connect the panel to your new legs. When you're connecting the top adjustable panel to your new legs, it's important that you don't fully tighten them. The best way to do this is tighten them all the way, then back them off a full turn so they are slightly loose, as you want the legs to be able to move left and right like so. So once the top adjustable panel is connected to the new window extension and its new legs, locate the two sliding blocks inside the channel of the legs. This is where the two black knobs will screw into the pet door insert and allow you to secure the window extension to the desired height when fully tightened. Before you slide the new legs into the pet door insert, tilt the legs down so the blocks slide all the way down. That way the blocks are both in the same location, making it easier for you to align the holes in the block with the holes in the pet door frame. Once the two holes are aligned, screw the black knobs into the locating holes, ensuring that they have caught into the sliding block. Repeat this process on both sides. So now that the two knobs are in, I'm going to fully tighten them, and you can see the adjustable panel is now fully secure and not going anywhere. So now when you place your pet door into the sliding door, you can slightly release the two black knobs, put the top adjustable panel securely into the top channel of your door frame, and re-tighten the black knobs. This will keep your door nice and secure in the frame.